chopper. Stick to him, Nico. We need to take him down there with no people.
For a man who has asked me to kill a lot of men, this guy is really safety conscious.
Saying, you got that government thing about him. I think great and good and thing.
I have the feeling you don't want to be responsible for the helicopter crash in Middle Park.
True that. Yo, this be some crazy shit in a Nico. Yo, we in on the Star Junction in a helicopter. This some real spy shit I is doing, you know.
Shows you that the people who need spy shit done get other people to do their dirty work.
See, Bridget, everything crashed.
Shit, Jacob! You really gotta smoke that thing now! The secondary smoke doesn't exactly help my hand-eye coordination! And I'm paranoid enough with US government on my ass! Whatever. Actually, just smoke it.
Wagwan!
Don't worry about the bridge, Jacob! I'm finally getting the hang of flying this thing!
Show respect! You're righteous rude boy, Nico. Get close so I can take a shot! Keep steady for the shot now! Mr. Rockstar, get him back in that spot. Mama, you know me, I'll get this bomber club when you're moving all over the place.
Why'd you miss, Jacob? You smoking too much?
I can't take a shot with this damn turbulence that's going on.
Jacob!
You got some cool shot flying skills in the Nico. Can you tap in and find the elephant though? You don't feel so good enough. Trust me, this thing I'm messing with the structure. Yo, job well done in the Nico. But we have to get out of this bomber clad dead right now, you know.
I do not think he can ask us to do more than this. Now it's our turn to get him to help us. If someone can find the man I search for, it should be him.
Let's do it. You don't know you're the man, you know? Sight the man soon, see?